Ayush, today is your birthday, right?
Yeah.
So Nana's organized such a nice little party. We'll be doing a recording there. Ayush, why do you like Nana so much?
He's the best.
He's the best. No, why it's your 11th birthday. Give me 11 reasons, no, Chonu.
He is very good. He is very nice. He is very yummy.
Good.
He is
Ayush, your vocabulary is so good. Tell no, Chonu, because giving a compliment is also an art.
he is very the best.
He's the best. Okay, but some way, no, you know, see, Nana is always, in the car, he told me, Nana taught me how to stand up to the bullies. So now the bullies are not bullying him, apparently. And what else did Nana teach you, Ayush?
Everything.
Everything. Tell me 11 things.
How to cook, how to make omelette, how to walk, how to talk, how to sit, how to crawl,
How
how
to-
to be a nice kid.
How to be nice way and how to say, no, thank you. No, but boys. So Ayush, so aren't you grateful, Chono? See, now the mama will upload this on YouTube. Any of the videos that feature Nana and Ayush again do really well.
Bye.
Because so I've had some person be kind enough to say that I miss my grandchildren. Their grandchildren are in the States, so I watch these videos and feel happy. Someone actually was kind enough to post that. So thank you so much, Ayush. Say thank you to Nana.
Nana.
Yeah, the party is about to begin.